Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you array concat. So array concat is very important and it's easy. So guys, to explain this I will create an array. So first of all var, and I will write a variable name is array1, and now I will create an array. So here I will write the value is a, b, c and semicolon, and now I will create another array, that is array2, and now I will create an array value like d and e. So here you can put any value as per your choice in the both of array, but here I put just this value. Okay, and now suppose someone want to output this like this. So here the output like is a, b, c, d and e. So if you want to output like this, so how you can do that? So this time you have to be use array concat. So array concat method to concat the array. So how you can use that? So first of all here I will do one thing. I will write another variable like var, and I will write the variable name is output equals to, and here I want to add concat this array. So array1 dot concat and parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis you have to be write which you want to concat. So I want to concat this array. So because here this is the value abc, so here is the abc, so output we want abc, and also this array's value d and e. So here is the d and e. So for that here the first I want to concat the second array into the first array. So that's why array1 dot concat, and the concat will be second array, so array2. And now in the console dot log, and I want to show the console dot log this output. So now here I will open the developer tools, and I will increase the size, and I will go to console, and just here I will refresh it. So here you can see the output is now a, b, c, d, e. So here the a, b, c, d, e, so our expected output. So hope guys you can understand about the array concatenation. So why we use array concat. So again here I will show you two things, like suppose our output should be like this. So how we can do? So this is so that means the second array will be first, and after that the first array's value. So that is very simple. Just we have to be concat array2 and here array1. That means array1 will be concat into the array2. So save it and refresh it. So here you can see the d, e, a, b, c, because now I concat array1 into array2. So now the array1 is concating into array2. So that's why first we are getting the value of array2 d, e. After that we are getting a, b, c. Here is the output d, e, and after that a, b, c. So here now we can do one thing also. So first of all here inside this array, like you want to concat and also add some value, like here you want to suppose now our output should be this d, e, a, b, c, and also anything like e, f. Okay, so suppose you want to add the external value f. So how we can do that? So here just you can add a comma, and which value we want to add externally, like f. So here you can write this way. Save it So now save it, and here you can see here the value DEABC, and also we get the external value which we added here F. So here is the F we added. So in the same way, if you want to add here only the external value only inside this first array, that means if the output should be like this, the first A, B, C, and here also the another value F, I mean our output should be this. So just you can do one thing, so array 1.concat, and now we need to concat only F, because so I will remove this not comment because I don't need that, because here we are getting this ABC, just only we need to add F. The F is the external, so we need to add F. So that's why we are concatenating array 1 into we are concatenating F to array 1. So that's why array 1 concat F. So now if I save and refresh, so here you can see ABC and F. So concatenation is very useful and it's a very simple. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.